Hello and welcome to Space Shark Teaches. I'm Sean from Space Shark Studios, and I'm here to teach you visual scripting in Godot 3.1. So in this video, I'm going to be going over what this series is going to be about. It's going to line up pretty well with our old series on Godot 3.0, if you're still using 3.0 and want to check that out. But basically, we're going to be covering visual scripting in Godot. So we're going to be using visual scripting for the whole series, and we're going to start by making a simple 2D platformer. Beyond that, we're going to move on to an infinite runner, so spawning objects as you approach them, putting in traps, stuff like that. And then as we progress along, the plan is to make a 2D top-down adventure game, as well as a Pong or Brick Breaker game. And then finally, trying out some 3D basics, which might be a little iffy because visual scripting is not quite built for something that complex. Finally, we're going to talk at some point about how to make these games available for people to download and play on their devices. So if that sounds like fun, then stick around and enjoy the ride.